So guys, I'll show you how a credit card works, and importante dyan malaman yung mga cut-off date, statement date, at saka yung due date mo. At saka paano mo siya lalaroin para matagal mo bayaran yung item. Now, this is my credit card, and kung titignan ko yung app ko, makita mo dito, February 23 or mga 23rd of the month, that is my cut-off date. So for this example, wala akong balanse, Feb 23, cut-off ko yan. So let's mark it off as cut-off. Now, syempre, para mapakita sa inyo, bumili ako ng item ng Feb 26, which is after my cut-off. Bumili ako ng item sa grocery. This is my receipt. Ito po yung resibo ko. And ang binili kong item is 276.95 pesos. Pruweba yan ha. Pati yung mga resibo na yan. Okay. And then, wala na akong binili sa credit card na yan para mapakita ko sa inyo yan. Then, pagdating ng March 23, I will receive my month of February na statement. So, makita natin dyan, okay. Statement, di ba? As of March 23, kasi cut off ko yan, 276.95. The same yan, match yan. That is my statement. Yan yung kailangan kong bayaran. And if titingnan mo dito, guys, how much or when is my due date? It is April 10, 2026. Yan yung due date ko. February statement, due date. Kasi nakasulat nga dyan, yun yung due date ko. Okay. So guys, kinolor ko na in green. That's how much time from my cutoff to the due date I have bago ko kailangan bayaran yung item yan because I purchased it after the statement date. Now, guys, I paid it in full. Diba? Kung nakita nyo, binayaran ko in full yung 276.95 pesos. Walang interest. Walang penalty because I paid it in full. Match yung binili kong item with this. Walang dinagdag yung bangko. And guys, if I paid in full, walang penalty, walang interest po. Yan. That's why importante na kumaskas ka after your cut-off date para mas mahaba yung time bago mo kailangan bayaran in full para walang interest at saka walang penalty. Now, February, kulang-kulang ang dates. 28 days lang yan. If ever, usually other months yan, you will have more than 50 days to as long as 60 days depending on the credit card that you're going to use. And that is why importante guys, alam mo yung cut-off, statement date mo, and of course, pay in full para walang interest.